Find or read reviews that most people are talking of Zstar Nugget Ice Maker, stainless steel, countertop machine with 44 pounds/24 hour. It is recommended that you do not buy until you have read and studied features or details. Until you are sure really that useful for you. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Everyone wants the good ice, nugget ice, in their drinks. It fills every inch of your glass and is extremely easy on the teeth and can be easily chewed. The ice also retains and absorbs flavors very easily and cools your drink faster than other types of ice. It is perfect for almost all kinds of drinks. Thanks to the Tornado Freezor Technology, this sonic ice maker produces 1.83 pounds ice per hour and holds up to 3.3 pounds at a time. You would never run out of ice since it makes 44 pounds a day. The countertop ice maker is made of stainless steel that greatly improves its durability, firmness, and service life. It fits almost all countertop with its small size. Perfect for home, office, bar, tea house, and more. The tabletop pellet ice maker reminds you when ice is full and water is insufficient. You can also make an appointment to start or stop making ice with the timer. Moreover, the self-cleaning function will make sure you always have clean and fresh ice. The crushed ice maker is endorsed by ETL, FDA and SGS, and its materials are BPA-free, very safe and reliable ice machine. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.